Hey folks, Harley Day Rider back at you once again. Your good old friend HDR for day 2, and I am with
This is HDR, riding
Mrs.
on the
A
back.
riding on the back of the bike. So this is day 2 of our moto camping extravaganza.
It's been a journey.
How was it last night?
Um, it wasn't too bad. We actually fit very well in the tent,
And
and everything was pretty comfortable. It was warm to start with, but then as the night went on, it got a little chilly.
yeah, we had to actually bundle up in our sleeping bags.
We did. We put our sweatshirts on and we got in our sleeping bags.
Yeah, I think the sleeping bags worked out pretty well.
They did. They were good.
They were comfortable.
The air mattress, I don't know if we had it blown up enough. Maybe they could have used a little bit more air.
Yeah, I think you're right. We do need more air in those. So, a lot of you folks seen the fire. We did have a fire, sorta,
Briefly,
briefly. So, what was the worst thing for me this morning waking up?
Jack did not have any coffee,
No coffee.
and we didn't realize that the camp store didn't open until 9.
Yeah, who thought? I thought the camp store would open at 6. They'd have coffee and donuts and.
It did not, and we were both up at 5:40 this morning with the birds and the sun, and
Yeah, but you got to tell them the truth. Did we lay back down?
we did. We laid back down.
We did lay back down for a little while, and we we were able to get a little bit more shut eye until about 8 o'clock. So now we're off. We're searching it. It's 10 o'clock now. We're now searching for some food and our first cup of coffee of the day. And the whole
Yeah.
world is still on this drive-through only. You can't come in the store.
Right, we're in Erie County, and they're still, I believe, on yellow.
Yeah,
so
which is absolutely craziness. But it is what it is. I guess you got to live with it for right now.
I guess so. Even in the campground,
Oh yeah.
to go in the bathroom, they wanted you to use a mask.
Yeah, try brushing your teeth with a mask on. It doesn't work out. I found it's very difficult.
It's a little difficult.
I did, I was going to take a shower with a mask on. I thought, well, I'm the only one in here. I probably won't affect myself.
Right, so that's what
So-
I did. I took my mask off, brushed my teeth, washed my face off and stuff.
And I'd like to tell everybody out there, we're not making this sound like it's fun or it's some kind of something to be taken lightly, but I think it's overblown that you got to wear a mask. Like, we see guys on tractors with masks on outside riding around. So I don't know. That's
Yeah.
that's just a bit much. But all right, we were gonna go find some food. We just wanted to check in and say good morning and hello to everybody. And I don't know when you'll see these videos, how they'll come out, but I'm sure you will see them. Any parting words for this journey?
Um, it's National Donut Day.
Okay.
Go get a donut and a coffee.
Now, see, if you want to know when this was recorded, well, obviously you'll know from when we were camping. But all right, folks, we'll talk to you here after a while. Be some good fishing right there.
Bay looks high.
I know. Look how high this is.
Jeez.
Wow. So, Mrs. HDR, where are we at now? Do you want to give them a tour?
Right now we are looking at the bay of Lake Erie at Presque Isle.
Reminds me of a song. Out on the bay. Oh,
Please do not sing.
I'm trying to sing. I'm trying to get a new career.
The bay looks pretty high though.
I'm telling you what. Yeah, just pass me. I don't want to be riding by me. I'm just.
The speed limit's 25.
Yeah, but we're gawking. That water's way up here.
Yeah, that's way high. It's on the bike path and everything.
Wow. Are these paved? I guess so, huh?
Some of them, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know about all of them. I don't remember. I think. There's a bike right there.
Yep. Motorcycle. Now, do you have to have, this is part of Erie Lake, right? So you need an Erie stamp to fish here, right?
I believe so, yes. Can't see myself in a kayak with jeans and motorcycle boots on.
Why, Bodine wants to go on a paddle boat with me with jeans and motorcycle boots on.
And we have found it, Bodine 52, at the Erie KOA where we are.
That's
There are
right.
paddle boats. We're going to take a picture.
Yep.
See, all the beaches are closed.
Oh, yeah.
You can walk on the bike path or ride on the bike path or drive through, but you can't go to the beach. That's because Erie County is still in yellow under the Pennsylvania phases.
Looking for those big marlin or those sharks or... Oh, wait.
Okay,
Nope.
yeah.
This is the lake.
No marlin and no shark in there.
There's no freshwater marlin.
I don't think.
Maybe they're crabbing. No, they can't crab here either, right? That's the Bering Sea. That's Alaska.
They want
Maybe they're
perch, walleye.
like Forrest Gump. Maybe they're a shrimp boat captain. Nah, I don't think there's any shrimp here either.
No, no shrimp. Sorry.
So this is just a big loop, folks. It's like a 140-mile loop. No, I'm just kidding. It's not 140 miles.
I don't really know how many miles it is.
I don't know.
all the way
We didn't
around.
clock. We didn't clock it either. Gate ahead. Oh, that would. Whack. Whack.
Those are geese.
What do they do?
They go honk, honk. Supposedly.
Honk.
Honk. Oh, look at that. It flooded. They must have had really bad storms up here.
Must have. Oh, I can get a lifeguard application.
$13.97 an hour.
That'd be enough to live in Erie for the summer.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
We better be living with another lifeguard or a couple of them. That seems a little ridiculous.
Well, look, when I was a paramedic, I was making like $10.60 an hour.
And yet you have people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they do not save lives.
They don't save lives. Do not enter.
Private residence back there.
Well, now that would be a crazy place to have a house.
I think it's like the park people. You know what I mean?
Oh,
is
yeah.
Is it like the ranger? You know what I don't know. Somebody that.
Might be. Huh, you can fish on that side too. So I could fish there because I'm not in Lake Erie.
No, I think you have to have an Erie stamp.
I'm gonna have to ask Ranger Dina.
Turtle crossing. Look out.
Speed bump, loop, loop.
Yep, and then go. Oh my goodness, that was Tucker Turtle.
It was a turtle. Then we'll turn around and make soup over the campfire.
No, we are not. I need to bring my bicycle up here and ride the bike trail.
Right a long way.
I think that's what it is. It might be seven miles out.
Huh.
I think, maybe. I don't know. Have to check it out.
Well, that was just a treat this morning, trying to get a cup of coffee and a sandwich. Oh.
But you think we would have learned from last night to call ahead. But still, they
yeah.
truly weren't doing call ahead.
No, they really weren't doing curbside pickup.
Right.
They want you
Like
to,
it-
I don't know.
Like it said on their door. Was it a turtle right there? No, that's a goose.
They
Thought
want
it was a turtle.
they want you to drive through to pick up 2 hot cups of coffee on a motorcycle. How are you going to do that?
Well, they don't know that you're on a motorcycle.
But they were nice. Once I called and told them, they did bring it to the door. So that was fair.
That's a little closer look to downtown. You can see the tower over there that you can go up in.
Downtown, that's where Roar on the Shore used to be. What, like the last one I think me and Henry went to 3 years ago. Because last year they had it at that car place and now it's just canceled. They're not going to do it anymore.
Did you and Henry go 2 years ago? Or
Yeah,
3 years ago?
no, I think it was 2 years ago. Remember we took the car up because it was raining. He
Oh,
didn't want
yeah.
he didn't want to ride his bike.
Yeah, I forgot.
So
Uh-oh. Can you blow your horn?
Yep.
Okay, they're not listening. Okay, can we go?
they're
Go.
going to fight. They're like, we're going to duke it out, dude. Don't come over here.
Can you go? Wait, he's gonna. Didn't know if he was gonna.
They're chasing them. They're like, don't you bring in babies over here. Are you kidding me?
Ah, there. There, can you get around them now? Slowly. Okay, go.
See, loud pipes move geese. There you go. That's my new saying.
No, because this is the ecological preserve. My God, if you hurt one of them, we'll be in trouble.
Well, I was waiting for the goose to lay the golden egg.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
But Daddy, I want the goose to lay the golden egg now. Oh, Veruca, you can have it, darling.
Yeah, look how high that water is. That is high.
I know. Don't.
More of 'em.
What are you looking at? Hey, the rickshaws are moving.
Now, how can that be moving? I wonder if they have masks on.
I don't know. Oh, no, those are the things you rent, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Look at them all.
Somebody's not driving you. You're driving.
It's easier with the motor, guys. It's easier with the motor.
Yeah, but that's fun.
This is
Look at
this
all
is fun.
that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look.
Yeah, because there's the Perry Monument.
Yeah.
Couldn't think of the name of it.
From William Perry,
Um,
the famous
you-
admiral.
you can ride your bike all the way to there. I think it's 7 miles. I think from the campground.
They got a golden ticket. Na 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 na.
Oh, kayakers over here.
Oh, that's nice.
Wait, was I here? I've never been here.
Yeah, a couple of thousand times.
Never.
Used to camp here full time.
No, I didn't come up constantly.
Until you swept me off my feet and married me, that we don't camp here anymore.
Yeah, I swept you off your feet.
Yep. You're like, hey, sailor.
I should have just swept you under the rug, but
Yeah, that's what you should have did. Swept me right under the rug. You should have got it cross out and put it on my head. It probably would have burned a hole in it. Like, go away. How about them bullfrogs last night? Holy crap.
yeah.
All night long. It's like, I was going to go over and cook some frog legs.
They didn't bother me that much.
Ugh. Almost had a bug in the mouth. I got a golden ticket. Well, that was pretty much the lake. You don't see much on this side.
That was the bay we were looking
I'm in
at.
the bay, yeah. Like, that's where that seasoning comes from, Old Bay seasoning.
Yeah, it does.
They make it right there. And all these beaches up along here are just closed. Okay, folks, we're going to give you a little bit of breakdown of the campsite. We start tearing the tent down here, start packing everything up. And we'll see how long this GoPro lasts. She wants to get, where's your hat at? She wants to get a hat on so you don't see her hair.
Look a mess.
This isn't going to last long anyway. The batteries are almost dead. Ugh. These are pretty easy to tear apart once you get them together. Pull them back apart. These will still make really good fishing chairs.
Okay, we can take them fishing.
I know, they're gonna be good.
I don't. The 2 times we've gone fishing so far, I didn't really sit.
No, you didn't sit over a lot.
I don't like this. I don't know. I don't feel like I have a lot of control when I'm sitting. I feel better when I'm standing. Yeah, you got it apart. I can't get it apart. How'd you do that?
Oh! Don't break it. There you go. Almost. That must have been the one I had my big butt in. I must have pulled it down tight.
Hold on, let me see. I don't understand. Take the bottom off first.
Crap.
Is this special?
No, leave it in.
No. Did you come off?
No, it's okay.
Easier than the other ones.
Now the trick is to put it back in the same bag it came out of.
Like this is all one.
Out of the mud. We just folded it twice.
Huh?
We just folded it over twice. You only folded it in half?
That's all I did.
Yeah, I'm just back this long enough. Okay, just real quick, we want to show you that we put it all back together like we got it all out. Was it easy, Mrs. HCR?
It wasn't too bad, but they don't fit back in the bags like they were fit when you got them out.
There you have it. So
So
now
we did it.
we're going to load the bike up and get out of here and get on the road.
We're heading out.
It's about 192 degrees right now.
It's really not.
No, it's hot though. Okay,
It's a little warm.
talk to you later on the bike. See ya.
Bye.
All right, folks, that's about all the view we're giving you today. So again, I don't know what
Did you get the lake back there?
the bike.
The lake.
Oh no. Well, I mean the parts that we drove through, yeah,
That's what I mean. You
Yeah.
can see it.
yeah. All right, folks. Yeah, your parting words there, Mrs. HCR.
Let me think. We didn't realize, well, first of all, how camping on a motorcycle would be. Then, camping on a motorcycle and other variables that
Other current affairs.
other variables that you have to be really creative to work through. So there you go.
Yeah, we'll add more to that later on the way home. But anything else about Prescott?
Oh, I love Prescott. Come
Oh.
and visit. Come and fish. Come and camp. Come and go to the beach. It's really a nice place.
All right, folks. We'll talk to you next time. Harley Day Rider with Mrs. HCR. Roger,
So long.
Roger and Ride. Be safe.
Be safe. So long.
We'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.